Good morning and hi all of you. For today's breakfast recipe, I'm going to make restaurant style veggie Hakka noodles. And this is the atta Hakka noodles, which is healthy. These are the ingredients I'm going to use. Oil, pepper, salt, soya sauce, vinegar, tomato ketchup, grated garlic and grated ginger. For the veggies, chopped capsicum, chopped green onions, chopped white onions, chopped onions, chilies and chopped carrots. Gas on. Putting the bowl with 4 cups of water. Adding 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oil, half a packet Hakka noodles, into the boiling water, allowing it to cook to 7 to 8 minutes. Checking it whether the Hakka noodles have been prepared, taking care that it should not be overcooked. The Hakka noodles are now properly boiled. The noodles will be now drained and adding some cold water to it. Once that is done, I am adding 1 teaspoon of oil and mixing it with the noodles. Noodles prepared and set aside. Pan on flame and being heated. Adding 2.5 teaspoon of oil, one teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of garlic, three chilies, saute for 10 to 15 seconds. Adding 1 medium-sized chopped onions, saute for 2 to 3 minutes till it softens. Adding carrots, green spring onions, white spring onions, and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Capsicum, mix and mix for some time. Sprinkling some salt on the veggies. The veggies are now prepared and ready. Adding boiled Hakka noodles to the veggies. Tossing up and down. So that it is mixed properly with the veggies. Tossing it well again and again. Adding 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. One tablespoon of tomato ketchup, adding 1 tablespoon of vinegar, tossing it sideways from all sides, a pinch of salt, around 1 teaspoon of pepper sprinkled on it, tossing, mix and mix. Garnishing with some green spring onions. The flame is now off and the veggie Hakka noodles is finally prepared. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel. The veggie Hakka noodles is now prepared and ready to be served hot.